Every subscription is an investment. And in November 2025, PlayStation Plus Essential is quietly outperforming every other entertainment index. For $14 a month, you're gaining access to 3 assets worth nearly $110 in retail value. A 7.8 times paper ROI before you even press start. But real investors know, paper ROI means nothing without time yield. So today, we're auditing this month's portfolio. From a narrative blue chip that appreciates in emotion, to a racing dividend that pays per lap, and a sandbox ETF that compounds through chaos. We'll measure each title by its cost efficiency, hourly return, and long-term holding potential. This is your gaming ROI report for November 2025. Because smart gamers don't just play, they calculate. Stray is your prestige equity, a compact experience with high emotional dividends. You embody a lost cat wandering through a neon metropolis of machines and memory, and every alley feels like an investment in a bigger story. It's short by design, but tight storytelling means zero waste in content spent. The return isn't measured in hours, but impact. Every frame is polished with Unreal Engine lighting. Every sound pays off in immersion. Its Metacritic score sits at 83, and community sentiment remains bullish even a year after launch. Think of it as your art investment. Not volatile, not grindy, but guaranteed to hold value in memory. If your portfolio needs prestige and purpose, this is your anchor asset. Low risk, high sentiment, timeless yield. A limited edition that keeps its worth long after completion. EA Sports WRC 24 is the monthly dividend payer of your PS Plus portfolio. It doesn't shock the market, it stabilizes it. Built on Unreal Engine 5 with precise physics and co-op builder modes, this rally sim delivers steady returns through longevity. Every stage cleared is a micro payout of satisfaction. The Moments system acts like a daily interest mechanic, rewarding repeat play. The new Builder mode is your custom ETF. You design your own vehicle and watch its performance rise over time. With cross-play multiplayer and seasonal updates, this game behaves like a long-term hold. It's for players who value consistency and grind yield over flash returns. If Stray is emotional capital, WRC 24 is mechanical stability, a diversified bond in your entertainment portfolio. At $14 subscription entry, you effectively own a $70 blue chip with ongoing dividends. That's market efficiency at its finest. Tabs is pure market madness, a chaotic ETF that rebalances itself every battle. You buy low on nonsense and sell high on laughter. Its physics engine and sandbox modes generate endless content, a user-driven ecosystem that compounds with each creation. What starts as a $25 indie title can easily become 100 hours of unfiltered joy, especially when you tap into the workshop and multiplayer battles. In financial terms, it's an open index of fun. High volatility, but massive upside. No 2 sessions yield the same result, which is why its ROI curve never flattens. It may lack prestige or structure, but as a portfolio component, it adds much-needed diversification. Low entry cost, unlimited growth potential. That's what you want in a hedge asset. When the market of gaming gets too serious, Tabs remind you that fun is still liquid. Let's run the numbers. Total retail bundle, approximate $125 in market value. At a $14 monthly subscription cost, your paper ROI sits around 793%, or nearly 8 times return on cash. Add time yield and creative replay, and the effective ROI approaches 1,000% in entertainment value. This month's portfolio is beautifully balanced. Stray provides emotional equity and art dividends. WRC 24 anchors the portfolio with stability and endurance. Tabs injects volatility and user-generated compounding. Together, they represent a diversified mix of art, engineering, and chaos. A perfect gaming ETF for November 2025. Once again, PlayStation Plus proves that the smartest investments aren't in crypto or gold. They're in time well played. And that wraps up your gaming ROI report for November 2025. 3 assets, 1 subscription, and a return the stock market can't touch. $14 in, $125 out. That's a 790% ROI on entertainment. But remember, value only exists when you press play. So where will you allocate your time capital this month? The art equity of Stray, the dividend lapse of WRC24, or the sandbox chaos of Tabs? Drop your pick in the comments, and subscribe to PS5 Gameplay Hub for next month's ROI audit. Because smart gamers don't just play, they calculate. And in this market, your time is the most valuable currency.